Let's talk about NVIDIA's latest marvel, the Jetson Orin Nano Super. Yes, you heard that right, super. Because in tech, adding super is like adding avocado to toast, it just makes everything better. So, what is this Jetson Orin Nano Super? Imagine if a Raspberry Pi went to the gym, hired a personal trainer, and started bench pressing AI workloads. It's a compact AI computer that packs a punch, delivering up to 67 trillion operations per second, or TOPS for those who like their performance metrics, spicy. Now, NVIDIA claims this little beast offers 1.7 times the generative AI performance of its predecessor. That's like upgrading from a bicycle to a motorbike and wondering why the wind feels stronger. And the price? A cool $249. For that amount, you can either get a fancy dinner for two or a supercomputer that fits in your palm. But wait, there's more. This device boasts a 50% increase in memory bandwidth, clocking in at 102 gigabytes per second. To put that in perspective, that's faster than my internet connection on a good day. And it only consumes 25 watts of power. That's less than a standard light bulb. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, introduced this device by pulling it out of an oven. Yes, an oven. Because nothing says cutting-edge technology like baking it at 180 degrees. I guess that's one way to ensure your products are well done. This developer kit is aimed at hobbyists, students, and small companies. So if you've ever wanted to build a robot that makes your morning coffee or a drone that walks your dog, now's your chance. And with support for large language models and vision transformers, your AI can finally understand your sarcasm, or at least pretend to. The Jetson Orin Nano Super is here to shake things up. It's powerful, affordable, and fits in the palm of your hand. Just don't try to eat it, even if it did come out of an oven. Remember, in the world of technology, size doesn't matter, unless you're trying to fit a GPU into a toaster. Thank you, and may your AI projects be ever in your favor.